This is Landsend Farm and we're in the southern end of the Rusland Valley. This particular project started life as a shuppen with all of the stalls for all of the animals still in position when we started, so there was quite a lot of demolition work to begin with, and it's taken on a massive transformation from being an agricultural building to now a home.
We wanted to make use of the original features of the barn where appropriate. So we used Stephen as the builder because we wanted to make it an appropriate building, really, something that respected the original structure and kept within the rules of planning guidance and so on for buildings of this type. And we created a building for the 21st century, I think, out of something that was built probably 200 years ago or something of that order.
Our initial conversations with the client were to go down a route of natural materials and sustainability. That worked hand in hand with what we would naturally want to do anyway. So we started the project with a really good relationship with the client, and we were able to introduce a lot of natural materials which give a really good finish and create a really nice atmosphere within the building, and it complements the area and the natural surroundings. It's worked really well with the client's views on sustainability, and it really is important to us as a company to go forwards using those materials. This particular project, we used a ground source heat pump system, and that's providing heat not only for the extension that we've been working on, but the original farmhouse next door, and also the holiday cottage across the courtyard. We were able to bring that in using a borehole system, and it works really well with keeping a lower background heat, constant heat within the building, which when you use more natural materials and breathable materials, it works in harmony, collective with the whole building, and it keeps a little bit of heat within the building, which can help drive out damp problems. Another element of this building which was really important for the beginning was to specify and have manufactured the correct windows. So with input from ourselves, the client and the local window manufacturers, we were able to specify triple glazing for this project, which does a great job of sealing the building in against bad weather. It really does keep the heat in. And with the embodied heat system of the building, it does enable you to have some nice ventilation through the spring and summer months and not lose the embodied heat within the building.
Yeah, it's bright and cheerful and doing a good job, I think. We've used Stephen really as a specialist in the old buildings. We wanted somebody who we felt was competent, knowing the way around the planning regulations and what to do to make the building what it should be, and to build it, well, a quality job. And I feel very much we've got a quality job to see us through the next few years.